There's only a select handful of things that make you take a step back, take a deep breath, and say, wow, I feel like a new man. Having a brand new PC setup is one of those things, at least I think it is for me. You can tell, brand new background, brand new everything. I'm probably gonna have to move that mirror behind me because you can see the reflection of my screen, which is a little weird. However, this background I think is pretty cool so far. Probably gonna end up moving my whiteboard to right here, getting those pictures out of the way, but I did in fact get my boom arm right here, you can see as well, so hopefully the microphone already sounds a little better. It is blocking my face quite a bit. I can move it kind of out of the way like this. It doesn't sound as good. Maybe I'll move it onto my other side of the desk. I got my new desk. This thing is a standing desk. Don't feel like taking off my camera off of this mount that it's on right now to show you guys this. My room is a complete mess right now. If you could see what this thing looks like, you would have thought that a war was just fought inside of this room. I spent so long today. New desk, monitor mounts, new lights, this boom arm, new microphone. This microphone is new, like I was saying yesterday. So we finished up on the day about 10 points. I should probably go ahead and shrink this back down so that you guys actually can see. But same deal as always, we have the 5-minute Hikinashi chart right over here on the right hand side, and then on the left hand side we have our normal chart. Yeah, once again took 2 trades today, 1 dub, 1 L, finish up on the day 10 points, which honestly kind of regret taking this first trade. I'll go over why in a second. Let's go ahead and replay on over to market open, find where we are on the 5-minute Hikinashi chart. Trading super well, man. Honestly, playing with the trend, waiting for great setups, following your rules, really all trading is, man. And once you crack it, it feels good. Basically on the 2-minute, I had this low drawn out right here from this level, and this level. I had this high marked out that we respected here, here, and here. And I had some higher time frame highs area kind of marked out up here, and then I had a really high time frame zone marked out all the way up here. Okay, I do think I have to figure out the most efficient way for my microphone to be mounted, one, so that it doesn't take up as much as the screen. I don't like how that whole bottom left hand side of the screen is covered right now, but this is we're just gonna, I mean, yeah, whatever. Market opens. We are looking to take a trade in the long direction because you can see here as the 5-minute Hikinashi is showing us, we are, you know, starting an uptrend, coming off of a downtrend right here, but then starting an uptrend, showing some strength right here in the market as well. Market opens right here. We see a little bit of a dump off rip and then a move right up, so I'm already still liking longs, looking for an actual good setup. Now right here, you could have taken it off this candle. I just didn't want to because we would have been playing into this zone, which wouldn't have been good because this zone possibly we can see an area of rejection out of here. So I really wanted to wait and see what actually would happen once we tapped into this zone. We tap into it. Now I'm really looking for a trade. We break above. Now what I'm looking for is a retest of our zone. Actually, go ahead, hop onto the 1 minute. What I'm looking for, break above the zone right here. What I'm waiting for is a retest and then strength above. Now you can see that we retested it right here, and then I was gonna actually wait for about one more candle close, maybe up here to enter, and then I would have had my SL like right here. TP would have been like right there. Now this candle right here just shot up so much. Not gonna lie, I think I got a little bit of FOMO, you know, on that entry because I wanted to enter kind of more down here. I didn't want to enter all the way up here. I ended up waiting for a little bit of a pullback, and we actually did get filled here. I would have been playing into this zone regardless, and this actually is a higher time frame zone, meaning probably more likely to get respected. You can see right here, this was a high time frame zone as well, but we broke and held above it. Sorry, this zone right here also a high time frame zone. You can see I'm on the 15-minute. You can see I'm on the 15-minute, and then even right there, we actually went ahead, tapped into it, and then rejected hard out of it. I entered longs. I was anticipating another sharp move up to break this high, possibly sweep any resting liquidity that was up there. Filled there, just got stopped out instantly. Unfortunate play. Obviously, you know, we were playing in the right direction because as you'll see in a second, price actually did manage to go ahead and make a move up. Unfortunately, got caught on the wrong side. Looking back on it in hindsight, I do think that I forced this trade just a little bit because I kind of got annoyed that this candle right here pumped so much. I felt like I wanted to get back into it, and I really wanted to take a long setup here, and we just got stopped out. Also, we tapped into this higher time frame zone that you can see we just rejected big out of. But now, anyway, we're back into this zone down here again. Another higher time frame zone on the 15-minute, like we just showed. Boom, we're tapped back into here. Now I'm looking to play longs again. Reject out of it. Very bullish candle right there. Actually went ahead and took my entry on that exact candle. 5-minute Hikinashi over here on the right hand side. You can see still just, you know, very green. Even though we rejected out of this zone, I still was anticipating a really nice move up to possibly make a higher high. Also, any SMC people out there, we had a 5-minute fair value value gap right here that we came into and respected right out of it there. Also managed to close above that zone and that FVG. So if that's just extra confluence that you want to throw in there to make yourself feel a little better about the trade, I kind of did that a little bit, not gonna lie. But anyway, we took our entry right there, almost in one candle hitting TP. We came extremely close, 20-point SL, 30-point TP. You know, again, playing into this zone, which was a little on the riskier side, but I was willing to roll the dice on this one. Unfortunately, I did, because I did end up hitting TP. Boom, we reject off that zone after that. That kind of scared me. I recorded this trade. I didn't post a TikTok on it today just because I didn't have a lot of free time today, but you'll see it tomorrow. I'll probably post it tomorrow, and you'll see that how I reacted to this in the live market. It's pretty funny. We almost got stopped out right there. Boom, tap back into this zone once again. Look at that candle. Oh my gosh, after I saw that, I was so happy to see that. Kind of just consolidated in this range a little bit while I was in this. Look at the 5-minute chart. Again, 5-minute fair value gap, huge wick, huge wick. This was so good for longs. After seeing those 5-minute candles right there, I was so insanely confident in this play. It up, ripping straight through take profit and all the way up. The next candle after take profit ended up being over 50 points, which was crazy. If we stayed in that thing, we could have caught a lot more, but obviously got to follow our rules. That's another thing I was thinking of, actually. Every trade that I've taken over the course of the last, I want to say, today and yesterday, and the majority of the trades that I took last week actually would have hit full TP if I had a 40-point TP. And a 40-point TP actually would put me at a 2 risk to reward ratio, which is really good, because right now I'm showing, you know, about, I want to say probably like a 65% win rate. So if I can manage to continue to win trades at a 65, maybe even get that up to closer to a 70% win rate, and also have a 2 RR, that will be absolutely gorgeous. 2 RR is great because it basically takes 2 losing trades to wipe out 1 winning trade, which is nice. Right now I'm running 30-point TP, which is going to give me a 1.5 RR, as you can see right here. I didn't end up taking a trade after that. We did close above this zone again. I was waiting for a retest. We got a retest right there. I could have looked for longs here, right there, probably on these 2 wicks. Probably could have taken longs there. Let's just see. Maybe I probably would have entered there if I did. I was honestly up, you know, on the day. I don't know. I did just sit it out. I'm pretty sure this didn't even hit. Yeah, so actually I would have got stopped out on that. Fortunately, that's a great setup that got stopped out on. You could even take it right here again. But I do remember we actually just started making an insane range in this zone right here. Price action was really golden up until this point, and then we just started to consolidate so much here, you can see, and then we ended up just slowly starting to decline. Good little day there. Nothing crazy. We are currently now 2-1 on the week. On Tuesday, out of 2 trading days, so tomorrow will be Wednesday, and hopefully we can keep this little green week going. Following my rules and my strategy, probably do some back testing. I've got a lot of work to get done. Just in life right now, but it's good. I have a lot of things that I can do to keep me occupied, and I'm grateful for that. I'm grateful for everything that's happened to me recently. My life has changed quite a bit in the last month. I'm not going to go into too much detail about what I've been up to, because I kind of want to keep a lot of things still on the DL until they're a little more, I don't really know the right word. There will be an update about a lot of stuff that I'm doing soon, guys, and it's, you know, I'm really just trying to do the most at a young age. I have a lot of big dreams, man, and then in order to make those dreams come reality, you just got to apply yourself, which is what I've been doing as much as I can. So I thank you guys so much. Tomorrow, stay tuned. I'll probably do like a little mini vlog along with my trade recap tomorrow, kind of showing you guys this new setup. I want to show you guys all around. I'm also going to run, I got the cable management right down here is crazy right now. I have to go to, like, I don't know, Staples or something and get, I don't know, just some stuff that I can manage the cables, clean up the setup a bit, clean up this background a little bit. But yeah, I'm so far loving the setup so far. Gonna show you guys what it's all about tomorrow. Gonna work on some other stuff now, but yeah, thank you guys so much. I am truly grateful for the position that God has blessed me to be in. Love you guys. I'll see you later.